Hi and welcome to Baking for Joy. In this video we're going to be making vegetarian mushroom and lentil rolls. You're going to need to set your oven to 200 degrees Celsius, which you'll actually do halfway through the recipe as you work your way through this video. And you're going to need a baking tray, and we're going to line that with baking paper, or if you have a silicone baking mat, that will work as well. If you enjoy this video, please press the like button and don't forget to check out my other baking videos that I have on this channel. If you're ready, let's bake. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Have a great day and happy baking.